Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert multiple lines in Excel at once. Okay. Click on the cells where you need to enter multiple lines of text. Type the first line. Press Alt plus Enter to add another line to the cells. Tip. Type the next line of text you would like in the cells. Press Enter to finish up. Okay. Example. I already copied this line, Ctrl B for paste and hold Alt, press enter. Now see this added line. Again I type another line. Again hold Alt plus enter. Again finish up enter. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.